What's up, guys? It's Solo Assassin, or Anthony here. You'll have to excuse the noise in the background. My wife's currently spraying cobwebs off the side of our house. But today's video, we are going to be replacing the lift supports for the glass on my wife's Jeep Liberty right here. I don't have the exact ones that are recommended for this, but the ones I got are free and they're just slightly longer, so they should be just fine. Yeah, so gonna go ahead and do this. Pretty simple job. You're just gonna need a pick or a flat screwdriver and show you what to do. So let's go ahead and get started on this. But before we do that, if you are new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on that road to 1,000 subscribers, and let's go ahead and get started on the install. Alright, so if any of you guys have your Liberties and these shocks just sag like that and they're always making you hit your head and stuff like that, pretty simple. This little tab right here, you're just going to want to go ahead and put your pick or flat screwdriver in here, pull it down, and then pull this whole thing down together and it'll pop out. So yeah, same thing with this one, just pull this clip out and it'll pop out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my trusty camera woman over here and show you what it's like to pop these off. Big spring loaded now. Just like that. It's new again. So, and there you guys have it. Just as simple as that. Just a pick and some time of finagling with these little clips. Pretty easy, honestly. Then you can close it without having it be in your way where you're hitting your head on it all the time. Took 5 minutes. Pretty easy install. Anybody can do it. You can do it with most common tools. You could probably do it with a butter knife, honestly, if you don't even have screwdrivers. And this goes with like everything. Like on my XJ here, the actual hatch supports, same thing, just a little bit bigger and different mounting positions. But if you guys liked the video or found it helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be greatly appreciated. Let me know what I can do better, and let me know what else you guys want to see. We got some videos coming on this. About to do a radiator on it, because as you can see right there, there's a puddle of coolant in the front of it because the radiator's leaking. So that will probably be one of the next videos, hopefully. But hope you guys did enjoy. Has been Solo Assassin. I'm going to talk to you guys later.